So welcome to the TilersTools video channel. We're about to launch a brand new range of products in the chemical line. This is the first one I want to show you. It's the Grout Haze remover from the TT paving solution system. We're going to shift this Grout Haze from here, very stubborn, using the neat. So we apply the neat solution using the scourer. Work that into the joint. Allow that to work its magic, and then we'll come back in a few minutes and we'll clean it off. Okay, so we've been away and had a cup of tea, about 15 minutes. You'll see that some of the foam that was originally on there is gone, so I'll just reactivate that. Giving it that final scrub. The secret with these sort of chemicals is that you need to allow them to work. Just don't put them on and expect them to have an immediate reaction. They need to actually break the product on the tile down. So change the water for clean water. In fact, what I'll do, I'll take the bulk of it off with the cold water and then thoroughly clean with the new. See there, it's without the second wash, it's absolutely mint clean there. So I've removed all of the excess chemical. Bring the sponge out as best you can, and then into clean water. What you don't want to be doing is leaving any chemical behind. So just a nice wipe like that. Flick your sponge over. A second wipe and rinse. Back to where you left off. Single wipe. Flick your sponge over and wipe again. Last one. I think you'll agree that that tile now is box condition. Exactly how you'd need to leave it for your customer.